Hello everybody, welcome back. This is our fifth example for the Math ACT Prep. This question is actually taken directly from the 2015-2016 ACT test. So if you're taking the test anytime soon, you're probably going to run into a question just like this one. So let's go ahead and read what it says. The monthly fees for single rooms at 5 colleges are $370, $310, $380, $340, and $310 respectively. What is the mean of these monthly fees? So to understand this question, we really have to ask ourselves, what is mean? What does mean mean? All right, well, mean is just a fancy mathematical way of saying average. And that is going to be an A. And it's so analogous that we can actually just plug it in and use it as if it's the same word. So let's go ahead and reread the question. What is the average of these monthly fees? Now, what about mathematically? How do we denote mean? Well, denoted mathematically is just going to be an X with a bar over it, and that'll be equal to sigma, which I'll go into in a second, X over N. So what does this mean? Well, the numerator has a sigma in it, which is just a fancy mathematical way of saying add them all together. So we'll put add all data points. Okay, and then N is even simpler. It's simply just the number of data points. And that's it. You're really going to want to memorize this equation. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in and figure this problem out. So we know the mean, also X bar, is equal to, get ourselves a pretty good line here because we're going to add a few things together, 370 plus 310 plus 380 plus 340 plus 310. Okay, and this is the adding or the summation of all of our data points. And then for our denominator, we're going to need to know how many data points we have. Well, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So N is just going to be 5. It's that simple. Then we'll go ahead and add all these together. Hopefully you have your calculator, since you are allowed to have one on the ACT. If not, you could just do it in your head, obviously. That's 1710 and divided by 5, which is equal to, we'll take our answer over here, that would be $342. Then we check ourselves up here to make sure that this is actually an answer. Oh, and it looks like H is our guy. All right, and it's really that simple. But remember, the thing is, it's not about getting the right answer. It's about getting the right answer as fast as possible. So this question itself should take you all of, 15 seconds. All you got to do is add all the data points up, divide by the number of data points, and bam, you got yourself a right answer. And we're that much closer to getting a perfect score on the Math ACT, because that's all of our goals. All right, guys, thanks, and we will see you at the next example.